The famous South Korean car manufacturer Hyundai has already launched the Creta facelift in the Indian market. Hyundai has made a number of changes to Creta both in exterior and interior, although the overall dimensions remain unchanged. The Creta is still one of the popular choices in its segment for the Indian buyers. The new Creta is available in 7 variants including E, EX, S, SO, SX, SX Tech and SXO. In this video, we will discuss about the most affordable and value for money SX variant of the Creta 2024. The SX variant of Creta comes with an ex-showroom price of 15.27 lakh and the on-road price is 17.35 lakh. In terms of dimensions, the new Creta is 4330mm in length, 1790mm in width, 1635mm in height with wheelbase of 2610mm. The ground clearance of the SUV is 190mm and the car weight is 1200 kg. Talking about the exterior styling, up front the new Creta SX gets rectangular quad beam LED projector headlights with vertical full width LED DRLs, more aggressive chrome highlighted, updated parametric front grille with Hyundai badging at the center, white black air intakes, updated front bumper with front fog silver skid plate. The side profile comes with power wall beams with indicated turn indicators, chrome accented door handles, tinted glass, roof rails, side body molding, large square shaped wheel arcs with black cladding and new set of 17-inch crystal cut multi-spoke alloy wheels with 215 by 60 section tubeless tires. The Creta SX variant gets 4-wheel disc brakes. The rear profile receives connected LED tail lights, Hyundai badging at the center of the boot, Creta chrome lettering and SX badging, rear washer defogger and rear wiper, tailgate indicated spoiler with spoiler mounted emergency braking light, shark fin antenna at the roof, updated rear bumper with black cladding and vertically placed reflectors, silver highlights and rear fog silver skid plate. The interior of the SX variant comes with dual-tone airy cabin and a number of soft touch materials. The front door panel gets a number of buttons including power window buttons, power adjustable looking glass button, Bose premium speakers, door pocket and bottle holder and silver accented inside door handles. It comes with dual-tone grey dashboard setup with dash-mounted slim AC vents with silver highlights, D-cut power adjustable tilt telescopic flat bottom 4-spoke steering wheel with steering mounted audio controls, but you won't get the paddle shifters. Besides that, it gets driver side dash mounted buttons with engine start stop button, dash mounted dual screen setup including 10.25-inch fully digital instrument cluster with multi-information display but without the advanced driver assistance system based features, and 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, along with Bluetooth, HD audio video navigation system, smartphone connectivity, Hyundai's BlueLink connectivity, USB port, 12-volt charging point, wireless smartphone charger, 4 speakers premium Bose sound system, automatic dual zone climate control and rear AC vents with 12-volt charging points, cooling glove box, front cup holders, center armrest between the driver and co-driver, adjustable dual-tone driver and co-driver seats but without the seats ventilation system, ambient lighting, electronically controlled panoramic sunroof, rear seats with 60/40 splitting options with center armrest and cup holders and 433-liter bigger boot space. In terms of power, the Creta SX variant gets a 1497cc 1.5-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder DOSC MPI petrol engine, which can produce 113.18 bhp of power at 6300 rpm and 143.8 Nm of peak torque at 4500 rpm. The engine is mated to a 6-speed manual transmission. The engine can give 17.4 kmpl of mileage. The SX variant of Creta doesn't have the advanced driver assistance system based features. Besides that, it comes with ABS with EBD, engine immobilizer, tire pressure monitoring system, vehicle stability management, automatic headlamps with escort function, central locking, hill start assist control, day and night rear view mirror, ISOFIX child seat mounts, impact sensing automatic door unlock, 6 airbags, 3-point seat belts, burglar alarm, child safety lock, speed sensing automatic door lock, keyless entry and rear view camera with rear parking sensors.